to open this gate, or this little thing.
Okay.
And then...
We're getting the horses out, guys.
And then they run. Come on, guys! Harley!
Come on!
That gate's open, but because it's dinner time. Oh, there's something over there. There's deer. Look.
There's a deer?
There's deer. There's deer in the woods. Yeah, see it?
Yeah, I see it.
I thought I saw something white.
I see it too. I thought it was a horse.
Oh, deer. Oh no, here comes this one.
What one?
Okay. I don't want these guys to come now. Let me see. See them right here by the tree, okay? Totally right over here. And tell me if these horses are coming. If they start running towards here, what I want you to do is just pick this up like that, okay?
Okay.
Actually, just hold it up like that until I come.
Okay.
All right.
That's 3 horses. The horses. They're horses that are 3. There's 3 horses. 1, 2, 3. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I am dancing to the beat. Okay.
So just stand right there. Don't move, okay?
Okay.
It's okay, stay right there. You want him to watch him run?
Yep.
Okay. Come on, Rita. Yeah! That was.
What was that squeaking noise?
He farted. Probably always fart. His gas problem. He gets so excited.
Oh, can we see them across the lake?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. They'll be there in 1 minute. But you can look at them for a second and see how they'll come. Wait just a second, and then they're going to come right back up. See? Look at Harley. He's tanking it. Look at him go. Ooh. Ooh. They run fast, don't they?
Yep.